Hi class! Ma'am Elaine Aring here, your math teacher. So today we are going to discuss solving quadratic equation by completing the square. The method of completing the squares makes one side of a quadratic equation a perfect square trinomial. The expression ax squared plus bx plus c is a perfect square trinomial if a and c are perfect square and b is twice the product of the square roots of a and For our first activity, you need to add a term to each expression to make it a perfect square trinomial. So number 1, x squared plus 8x. So b over 2 square is equal to 8 over 2 square. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So our perfect square trinomial is x squared plus 8x plus 16. Number 2, x squared minus 10x. So again, b over 2 square is equal to 10, negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5 square, so 25. So our perfect square trinomial is x squared minus 10x plus 25. Here are the steps in solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So for example, we are going to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. Number 1 is x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So x squared minus 6x is equal to negative 5. And then, get the third term by dividing b by 2 and then square it. So negative 6 over 2 square is negative 3. Square it, so 9. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equal to negative 5 plus 9. And express it as square of a binomial. So x minus 3 square is equal to 4. Get the square root of both sides. So x minus 3 equals positive negative 2. So our two solution would be x minus 3 equals 2 or x minus 3 equals negative 2. Then solve for x. So the value of x is 5 or 1. Example number 2. So the given is 3x squared minus 2x plus minus 6 is equal to 0. So as you can see here, our a is not equal to 1. So all you have to do is to divide both sides of the equation by the value of a, which is 3. So we have x squared minus 2 over 3x minus 6 over 3 equals 0. So if we simplify it, we will have x squared minus 2 third x minus 2, transpose negative 2 to the other side, and then get the third term by dividing b over 2 and then square it. So we have negative 2 thirds over 2 and then square it. So if we are multiplying fraction, we have negative 2 thirds times the reciprocal of the denominator. So we cancel 2. So natira na lang is negative 1 third square, which is 1 over 9. So our PST now is x squared minus 2 third x plus 1 over 9. So we add it to the other side of the equation. So 2 plus 1 over 9. Then express it as the square of binomial. So x minus 1 third square is equal to 19 over 9. Get the square root of both sides. So x minus 1 third is equal to positive negative square root of 19 over 3. So our two solutions would be x minus 1 third equals positive square root of 19 over 3, or x minus 1 third is equal to negative square root of 19 over 3. And then we just simplify it. So we have x is equal to 1 plus square root of 19 over 3, or x is equal to 1 minus square root of 19 over 3. And that is our lesson for today. So, I want you to answer activity 1.4 on your module with solution. Good luck!